Hello YouTube. Hope you are doing well. Today I am here to show you how to tag people in Facebook. Open your browser, then search for Facebook. Log into your Facebook account. After logging in, you have go to your profile, then add any photo which you want to add on your profile. Click photos, then select a photo which you want to upload on your Facebook account. After adding the photo, you can also add by the clicking on tag friends. When you click on add tag friends, search your friend names and your friends will open in the new menu. You can tag those friends through this way. If you want to tag your friends after uploading your photo, you can also do it. Click on post. When your image is uploaded, simply click on your image and here you can see that tag photo. Click on this. By clicking on this, click on your photo and search for your friend name. Some of your friends are also available in this list and some are added by searching the names. After searching the name, click on your friend name. When you click on your friend name, your friend will be automatically tagged in your photo. Then click on finishing tagging and your friend will be added in your tag list. Hope this video helped you to solve your problem of how to tag people in your Facebook. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you.